Hello to all my viewers, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we will understand how to create 100% stacked column chart in Power BI. To create any new chart in Power BI, make sure that you click on the white portion of this canvas. Click on this and you have to specify the x-axis, y-axis and the legend. So let's pick up in x-axis, the segment. In y-axis, we'll pick up the sales. In legend, let's pick up one categorical variable. This is a category. And in small multiples, we will pick up the region. Now let's activate the focus mode. Focus mode is ready. Now hover your mouse on any one chart. The information which is displayed is region is central, segment is consumer, category is furniture, and sum of sales. Now the interesting thing is it displays the percentage, 34.21 percentage. Now if you click on any legend, let's say furniture, it will only display the details of the furniture, office supplies, technology. If you click on category, it will display for all of them. Now, if the more information is required in this box, then we will pick up the quantity and drop it into the tooltip. We can also pick up the profit and drop it into the tooltip. And now hover your mouse on any bar. See, it displays the sum of the quantity as well as the sum of profit. Now we will format our visuals. In formatting the visuals, there is a visual and the general. Two formatting we have to do. So let's start with the x-axis. So in x-axis, I can increase or decrease the font size. See, consumer, corporate, home office. The font size is increasing. The color can also be changed. Now click on the title. If I want any title, I will just write down here that sales according to the segment, and it will be displayed. Sales according to the segment. The color as well as the font type and size can be changed. So I'll minimize this. Now let's activate the y-axis, this part. The minimum and maximum range has been specified. We can change it, invert the range. You can see the technology is at the top. Now it will start from the bottom. Shared y-axis. So the percentages are displayed only on this side. If you want it in the center of it, so shared y-axis yes or no. Activate the values. The font size can again be increased. Just see the percentage. It is increasing or decreasing. You can underline it. And its color can also be changed. Switch axis position. Now the axis will be on the right hand side. See. Again, if I want, I can add the title here also. The font type, color, and size. All these three things can be changed. At any moment of time, if I want to reset to default, just press reset to default and it is done. Reset to default, done. Now let's talk about the legend. This one. This is your legend. It is in black color. It is at the position is top left. So bring it in the bottom center. So here the legend is now in bottom center. What is the color of this text? It is black color. We'll change it and we'll make it dark blue color. Done. Can we increase its size? Yes, we can increase its size. So it is written category. If I want to change it, I can use category wise. So just see the changes category wise. Small multiples. So this chart displays 2 by 2, 2 by 2 is in 2 by 2 matrix. I can make it 3, 3 by 3, or I can make it 1 by 3. So it's 2 by 2. The padding can be increased or decreased. By increasing the padding, the white portion in this chart will increase. See this. Now let's activate the border. If I require border on all four sides, I will activate all, and the border will appear on all four sides. Line color, take a dark blue line color. It's solid. Its width can be increased. Title. So central, east, south, west. It's at the top position. You can bring in bottom, and the alignment can be in the center. Its font color can also be changed. Now let's talk about the background, and we'll pick up yellow background. Okay, increase its transparency. Grid lines, do we require it or not? No, I don't require the grid line. The dotted lines which are in this chart, I don't require it. Off it. Columns, the color of these columns can be changed. Let's change one color. Let's make it black. Yeah, that's fine. You can also reverse the stacking order from here. Spacing. The spacing can be increased or decreased, the inner padding. Now comes the data label. So why we are creating this 100% stacked column chart? Because it displays the percentages. This is a very interesting feature of this chart. Now the orientation is vertical. You can make it vertical also. Position is auto, inside and. So let's keep it auto only, and horizontal is much better. Activate the values. So we can change its size, type, color, everything can be changed. So let's increase a little bit. Do we require the background of it? So go here, activate the background, select the color, take the white color or any other color. Let's take it yellow color and decrease the transparency. Quite good. Now activate the plot area background, browse, take the image, open, and you can also insert any image here, decrease the transparency, right? Now click on general and exit the focus mode. So to click on back to report. Now in general properties, the height can be increased. See, the height can be increased of any chart or decreased. Width can be increased. Let's talk about the position. We can shift the chart horizontally, vertically. The padding can be changed. The padding of this chart. Internally, this chart will shift on left side or right side, top or bottom. Now, if I increase this, see, the chart shifts to right hand side. Here, the chart will shift on left hand side. This will make the chart shift to the bottom, and this will make it shift to the top. In advanced option, make sure that the responsive is on, title. So here it is sum of sales. Instead of this, I want only sales. Quantity. The font type can be changed, size can be changed, and the text color can be changed. Background color. Do we require any background color here? So let's select the background color, which is a light one, and this time let's select this one. Okay, horizontal adjustment. Yes, we want a horizontal adjustment. Do you require text wrapping or not? If I off it, see the changes which appear in the title. Is subtitle necessary? If it is necessary, on it and write the subtitle. Otherwise, no. Divider. Do we require a divider? So on it, color black, solid, increase the width little bit. Yes, we require a divider. Spacing. So we'll have to increase the spacing so that we get a chart appropriately. Effects. So the background, we'll insert a very light background here of a blue color. So pick up the color. See, additional colors can also be selected. More colors. So just select the tone from here, and let's select a very light color, a very light green color. Yeah, this is fine. And increase the transparency. Visual border. Do we require the visual border on it? And if I slide this, if I make the rounded corners, see the changes which are appearing. This, I'll get the rounded corners here. So general, in effects. Now activate the shadow on it, brown color shadow. Do we require outside or inside? Bottom right. Let's say we want it on bottom left. Okay. Header icons. So let's change the color of this and make it blue. Header icons. Border black. Icon color. Make it pink. It's not visible. Make it black. Transparency. You can increase or decrease the transparency. In icons, make sure that all these are on. Tooltips is on. Okay. Now let's see what we have created. Activate the focus mode and it's done. Quite interesting. But the background, I feel we should change the background because uh, let's change this background and make it white. That is much better. And the background of this also is to be changed. So just a minute. So to change the background, you go in visuals and you go in small multiples, and small multiples click on background and you can change the color. Let's make it more dark. You can increase or decrease its transparency depending upon your requirement. Yeah, done. Now you can export this data in CSV format. So as table, the layout can be changed from here. Switch to vertical layout. Sort small multiples according to the sum of sales or region or sum of quantity. Ascending or descending, it can be decided from here. So first activate region, sort small multiples, sort descending or ascending, sort axis, segment, descending or ascending, it can be done. Sort legend, select category. So at present it is ascending, make it descending. So this was all about 100% stacked column chart For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.